All right, you guys, here at Donnie Smith, 37th annual bike show. So, been before. Welcome. How you doing? On a Sunday, second day, it's in the afternoon. It's $20 to get in and $27 to park. Hockey team, the girls are playing right now. But here we are. I've only rode one or two motorcycles my whole life, but it's a nice bike. All kinds of cool bikes here. They got jackets. It's a very 37th annual. I think it's my third or fourth one for the channel. Just they got all kinds of fun. They have the flood run every year. We go there for that.
Rick was looking for a destination.
We have everything from military. Shirts and stuff here. All kinds of fun stuff. Look at this, a three-wheeler, tricycle. Those are kind of cool. Put a helmet on that, soldier. They always say, right? So they have all kinds of bikes here. Whole bunch. My other selfie stick broke. But I hope you liked the Chicago stuff. That was fun. I had fun doing it. It was fun on the train. I think there's really no music to speak of. They had a band. I think this is the coolest thing. They have really nice bikes. Can't tell these two big boys. Whew. I don't know. I'm the kind of guy. It's kind of like having a Lamborghini. Nice vehicle, but you're afraid to drive it. Oh, what's going on right here? Very nice. Interesting to say the least. That bad boy. We got a multitask here. And you got all this stuff over here. Look at this bad boy. Woohoo! Very nice. Ready to take them out. Got a little different bikes this year than they did last year. They've got so many. Yeah, this right over here. Got all this kind of fun stuff. You can get headbands. You name it, they have it. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
How's the business?
Quiet today, but usually is on Sundays.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, look at this bad boy. Oh my goodness. Good Lord. Look at that one. Huh. Look at that one. Very nice. These are, I guess if I was going to drive a bike like that, I guess I would. These are just kind of your everyman bike. They're nice. The trucksters, they're not cheap, but they're well worth it. Might give yourself something to eat, but they're expensive. Everything here is cheap, not cheap at all. Burgers are $10. We'll get something to eat later on. A lot more quieter here than last time I was here. It's a nice one. Look at that bad boy. Woo. Look at that thing. Oh my word. Look at these. Oh. Motorcycles galore, man. Very nice. This one's kind of nice too as well. And they got all kinds of stuff here. And we get on the other side over here later on in the videos. There's all kinds of swap meets and parts and stuff. They have all kinds of stuff. It's kind of like a auto body shop, you know. These are kind of cool to drive. I wouldn't be ashamed to drive one of these bad boys. I think they're kind of cool. Something different, easy to drive. Wouldn't kill myself. What's something like that go for?
That particular one I'm selling for $53,000.
I'm not a bike guy, but I wouldn't kill myself on that thing. If I was going to drive something like that, a bike. 53,000, you guys, not bad. Oh my goodness, look at that bad boy. Woo, yeah. 53 grand for that one. Very nice. So last time I was here, the Donnie Smith bike show, they had a band was just getting ready to roll. So we'll go over here. Over there. Yeah, they got clothing. It's only 2 days. Just Saturday, Sunday. Oh my. Look at this sucker right here. Oh my. Look at that one. Oh my. Very nice. Yeah, they've got, there's a pink one here I saw one time, a long time ago. It's kind of nice. Then you get leather jackets here if you want. They got a ton of those. I've already got a couple of leather jackets, so. But they have all kinds of them. Really, any coat for $1.50. I mean, I get it. They're nice. They're fun, but how many leather jackets does one man need? I guess as many as you want, right? Of course, for the young ladies behind me, if you want anything over here, they have a Bloody Mary bar.
I appreciate it, Dave.
Oh, have a great show.
Yep, we were just talking about him.
Yeah.
Brewster, he just popped up on. He needs you to guide him the right way.
So then we got rings here, all kinds of fun stuff. Here, you name it, they got it. 8. Oh my goodness. Bloody Mary bar over here behind me. Got more rings than you can possibly have. Look at that stuff, huh? Look at that. More rings, Jesus. Look at that. Oh my. Look at that. It's too much, it's too big of stuff to have on like that. Shirts. They got oil here. They got everything. You're a biker. It's like the fishing shows, right? So when you come here, you got all kinds of stuff. You got your oil, everything you need. Another bike right here. I don't know if I'd be afraid to ride that one. Did I see these or not? I don't know. Maybe I did, but still, never hurts to look at them twice. Very nice. That's a nice one. t-shirts, pullovers. So you got, oh yeah, flannels up the yin yang. These are kind of nice. Granted, it's over, but winter, but they're still nice. Real nice stuff. Oh yeah, that one's. I like that one. $40 a piece, I guess. Nice. Anyway, we'll go over here. I'm gonna get a hot dog. Have this video. A lot more quiet than last time I was here. Last time I was here, it was real loud. A lot of people.
I think there was.
Let's roll over here. Oh yeah, look at that bad boy. Here's this one over here. This is the one I think I've seen before. This one's here every time. Big yellow one. These are kind of cool. Well, I'll save it for the next video. So this whole area is really kind of cool. Making my way back and forth. I'll show you when I get done here. This next one, we'll show you. There's a pink and an orange one. We'll work our way around. So I'm gonna get a hot dog. So, all right. Talk to you guys next one.